Hi dear students, good morning. How are you all? Welcome back to online session chemistry class. In previous class we discussed some important topics based on second chapter is matter around us pure. So in that chapter we discussed solutions. What is solution and types of solutions. Once you recall that topic, first of all we discuss matter and mixtures. There are two types. Mixtures are classified into two types: homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous, again they are classified into solutions. What is solution? Definition of solution. A solution is defined as a mixture of two or more components, like homogeneous components. So, mixtures are again they classified into three types. So one is saturated, another one is unsaturated, unsaturated solution, saturated solution, and supersaturated solution. Heterogeneous. This type heterogeneous are they divide into two types. One is colloidal solution and suspension. Already in previous session we discussed solution and colloidal solution, suspension and also Tyndall effect. Already we discussed it in previous session. So today in this session, types of solution were discussed about types of solution: saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated solutions. So what are saturated solutions? Saturated solution. What is saturated solution? A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. At any saturated solution, no more can be dissolved. No more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature. So temperature and pressure is important. Is known as a saturated solution. So once again, saturated solution means a solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. No more solute can be dissolved at a given temperature and pressure is called as a saturated solution. And another one, unsaturated solution. So unsaturated means a solution in which more solute can be dissolved. More solute, we can add more solute, can be dissolved at a same temperature and pressure. Here it will be present in temperature same, equal temperature and pressure is called as a unsaturated solution. So both are different. Saturated means at a given temperature, we are giving some temperature like 100 degrees Celsius or 20 degrees Celsius, 50. But here at same temperature, we can take 20 to 40 or 30 degrees Celsius. At any solution, we need same temperature and pressure is called as a unsaturated solution. Next one, supersaturated solution. What is supersaturated solution? A solution in which more solute can be dissolved. So in this solution, more solute can be dissolved when its saturated level by increasing temperature and pressure. We are increasing the temperature like 100 to 200, 200 to 300. When we increase more temperature and pressure, it will be changes to supersaturated solutions. So next one, these are the types of solution. There are three types. One is saturated solution, unsaturated solution and supersaturated solutions. Next one in this topic based on important one is classification of solution based on the relative amount of solute present in a given solution. classification of solution based on the relative amount of solute present in a given solution. So what is relative amount? We are giving some amount of a solute, like example we are adding salt 100 grams of salt or 100 grams of sugar. At any amount of sugar level, at any quantity we are adding based on the solutions. So here they are classified into two types. One is dilute and another one is concentrated solution. Dilute solution means a solution containing relatively very small quantity. So of solute is called as dilute solution. So dilute solution, we are taking very small quantity of a solute is called as dilute solution. Concentrated solution, a solution containing a relatively very large quantity. So very important one. So like example, concentrated HCl, concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated nitric acid. So these are based on concentrated solution, a solution containing relatively very large amount of solute is called as concentrated solution. Like example, concentrated HCl, H2SO4 and HNO3, nitric acid. So in this example, dilute solution, a solution containing relatively very small quantity. Suppose we are taking small quantity of concentrated solution, HCl, adding 10 grams of HCl, adding 100 grams of dilute solution like water. So here we are adding water to form a dilute solution. So we are taking small quantity of concentrated solution or water to form a dilute solution. Like example, dilute HCl and dilute sulfuric acid and dilute nitric acid. So these are the examples of dilute and also examples of concentrated solution. Today session we are going to discuss concentration of solution. Very important topic and also easy way to learn the definitions of concentrated solution. So in this concentrated solution, they are present in several ways. So let us discuss. Concentration of solution. The amount of solute present in unit volume of solution. So unit volume of solution is known as concentration of solution. The amount of solute present in a unit volume of solution is known as concentration of solution. Concentration of solution will be expressed in several ways. Like example, mass percentage means weight percentage. So it is denoted capital letters W by W, mass percentage by mass percentage, or weight of the percentage by weight of the percentage. Second one, volume percentage. So volume by volume, mass by volume percentage. Mass means weight by volume. Parts per million, ppm, parts per million. And molarity. The next one, normality, molality, mole fraction, formality. So in up to 9th class, we need to discuss only 3 steps like mass percentage, volume percentage, mass by volume percentage. So these are the important one for up to 9th class. So let us discuss based on that formula, what is mass percentage and volume percentage, mass by volume percentage, how to denote it as a formulas like volume, mass by mass. Let us discuss the next class with the examples. Thank you.